Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing something completely different. Sorry, I'm a little dirty and sweaty. It's because it's the end of the day and I forgot to do like an intro at the beginning before I started this project. So now I'm going to be doing a thrift flip. So I can't really go shopping because quarantine and stuff. So I'm gonna go around my room and there's like a shelf in there that I do want to switch around. I want to change it. It's kind of a mid-century modern shelf. I like silly me, I didn't record like a video of the shelf, so I did take a picture before I did anything to it. I'm gonna insert it here. But yeah, I want to change it up for it to look a little bit more modern and to fit my room a little bit better. My room is pretty much predominantly white furniture, so the shelf is a little too dark for my color scheme. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it gold and white, and let's see how it goes. Now here you can see how the shelf looked like before. The colors and everything isn't bad. It's just giving me grandpa vibes or old person vibes. So I want to change it so it can fit towards what I like. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed all the shelves from here, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this gold because that's okay. So now we finished finally assembling the shelf back again. It's gold and white now. I wish I videoed before I painted it and everything, but I only have a photo and I'll put it right here so you can see. But now it's the final touches and then we're done. Yay! So what I like to do is play around with my decor, like with this Bellican bottle and paintbrushes. I like to see them side by side, but then, I just take a step back to see how it all looks together, and then I change my mind and tackle it again and change things around, see what looks good, and yeah.